Hi, very good evening students. Welcome to video classes. I hope you all are fine. All of you stay home, stay safe, learn well. Okay, so students, we are learning the chapter fiber to fabric, right? Okay, so in previous classes we have learnt about history of clothing materials, and we have learnt about fabrics and fibers and some sources of fibers like natural fibers, synthetic fibers, right? Okay. Students, today in this class I am going to teach you production of plant fibers, how plant fibers are producing. Okay. So first here jute. Okay. So jute fiber, it is obtained from stem of the jute. Okay. So jute fiber, it is a natural fiber. Okay, so fiber obtained from plants. Okay, so that is jute plant here. Because of that, this is natural fiber. Okay, so which grows in both sandy and clay soil. Okay, so the major jute producing states in India are West Bengal, Bihar, and Assam. Okay, these are the major jute producing states in India. Okay, so jute is sown in the rainy season. Okay, and harvested after 6 months when the plants starts to flowering. After harvesting, the stems are tied in bundles. Okay, so like this, all of you see here. Okay, and soaked in water for 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, so this process is called as a retting. Okay, so after harvesting, these stems are tied in bundles and soaked in water for 2 to 3 weeks. This process is called retting. Okay, so once the retting is complete, the softened fibers are removed from the stem by hand. Okay, the fibers are then washed under clean running water and hung up or spread out for drying. Okay, so this jute fibers is used to make a number of things. Okay, such as ropes, bags, carpets, doormats, ornamental toys, wall hangings, and footwears also. Okay, students, next plant fiber here is coir. Okay, so coir fiber is obtained from the outer covering of the coconut fruit that grows on coconut palm. Okay, so all of you see here students, this is the outer covering of the coconut fruit that grows on the coconut palm. Okay, so all of you see here, the outer covering of coconut is called husk. To obtain coir fibers, the husk is removed from the coconut and soaked in water for up to 10 months. Okay, so after, the softened husk is then beaten to get the coir fibers. Okay, so after getting coir fibers, the golden coir fibers are then spun into yarns. Okay, so that is into threads. These yarns or threads are used to make mats, floor coverings, garden articles, aquarium filters, and ropes. Okay, so India and Sri Lanka are the major world's producers of coir fibers. Okay, so students, in this class we have learnt about some sources of plant fibers like jute and coir, right? If you have any doubts, questions, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you, students.